Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Success is not by doing actually great things. It's just by doing small things with great discipline. We just need to ensure that the discipline comes in us, automatically success will be there. So I generally try that students not only just understand the concept, they need to understand the language one needs to be written in that theoretical paper. Many students tell me that, sir, FR may, whenever Niket's lectures come, definitely our hands will pain. They need to write so much.
Hey guys, good afternoon to everyone. Guys, this is Rahul Malkhan. I'm exclusive educator with Unacademy. Guys, it's been a year since my journey with Unacademy, and we have grown, tremendously well. Guys, it's my pleasure today that new educators are joining us, our platform, to increase our reach and increase our, kind of offering to the students. So, guys, one of the greatest faculty for FR from down south, exactly, is CA Nikit Thakkar, sir. Hi, sir. How are you, sir?
Extremely well, sir. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm fine. Sir, we have been discussing about you joining our, systems. In fact, since a lot of time now, or I was very eager to welcome you guys, because that actually makes our CA final offering fantastic,
Correct.
The best experience faculties comes into the system, and the more clarity we can have to the offering to the students. So, sir, welcome on board. Welcome on board. And
thank you so much.
I have completed 1 year, and you are starting the journey. But let's take this journey well ahead, guys. Guys, CA Nikit sir is gonna be joining our final team for FR, that is financial reporting. Amazing topic, amazing paper, and for audit as well, right, sir?
Yes, sir. Both the subjects.
Sir, I would like you to share something regarding your subject, FR, audits, and your style of teaching or something like that, sir.
Okay. See, I cleared my chartered accountants in actually November 2008. And since then, I'm into teaching. It's almost like 11, 12 years into teaching with all the lovely students. And I take these two subjects, basically this FR and auditing for CA final. And intermediate, it was basically accounting and your auditing, again, the same thing. Now, FR is practical subject. Auditing is basically a theory subject. The approach which basically I have will be actually different for both the subjects. Many students tell me that, sir, FR may, whenever Niket's lectures come, definitely our hands will pain. They need to write so much. The reason is, FR may, I believe that whenever students are writing, more working notes, more clarity, whatever they are writing, it's given, it's definitely beneficial for them. Marks, we all know that it's not only for the answers. ICI has stepwise marking, and the working notes play a very bigger role. And for me, when I'm teaching actually the FR subject, for each and every point, I have a habit of giving notes. Like afterwards, if someone is reading this material only, they will feel that, okay, yaar, notes pad liya to I'm able to get the things, so I'm able to recollect what was done 6 months back also. And for auditing, I believe the language plays a very important role, because theory subjects, if you write too general, the marks are not there as of now. And the papers, what they are making out since last this 4 or 5 attempts are absolutely superb. I'll say, unless a student has done a proper studies, it becomes difficult for them to crack out the theoretical papers. So I generally try that students not only just understand the concept, they need to understand the language one needs to be written in that theoretical paper. So this is my approach. FR, I'm basically more of working note based, and for auditing, I'm more of language based.
Absolutely. But so my personal experience also in this case, in SFM also I do the same stuff. Like after doing the question, I give notes to the students. We have done this important thing in this question and all.
Correct.
I think student gets so tired and student says, "Nahi, why you making us do all this thing?" So I have got the first person who's actually agreeing to it. That notes are not only for the answers, notes are for people to remember for actually next 2.5 years, I would rather say. The first subject that student might join when they come to final is FR and SFM. And I'm damn sure by 1 year it goes by and people will forget everything again. So notes have to be built up in such a manner.
The same thing happens when students basically, when I take intermediate lectures now, suppose for accounting, at that time, initial reaction will be, "Arey, kyun likha tha itna sara?" And then later when examination comes, then they realize, okay, yeah, whatever we've written, we are not getting any doubts because we have clarity for each and every point. why this thing was done, it's absolutely damn there in the book itself. So that is when our importance comes, and that is when the student realize, oh, this was seriously great. And I get lots of message. Best thing about me, I'm acknowledged for my notes. Actually, this is one thing which is my USP, actually, I can say.
अब एक बार तो ऐसा फनी इंसिडेंट हो गया था सर मेरे साथ. सो आई डू द सेम स्टफ एंड आई टीच देम लॉट ऑफ बेसिक फंडास एंड राइटिंग एंड ऑल. एंड उस साल पता नहीं एसएफएम का पेपर कुछ ज्यादा सिंपल निकल गया एंड एवरीबॉडी स्टार्टेड 90 प्लस एंड ऑल. So there was a mark in the town. नहीं राहुल सर ज्यादा पढ़ा देते. अरे भाई ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ाते. The paper was very simple. You know, it's like that, sir. Sir, why did you select this profession of teaching immediately after becoming a chartered accountant, sir?
Okay, sir. Once I cleared my CA, one thing was practice. But practice, man, the problem was that at that time, if we say 10, 12 years back, it was not so much kind of tech-savvy practice as of now, which we have. It was kind of basically you are many time a mediator between your basically client and the departments, and I generally don't like that work, and job was never in question. So first thing was I want to do something on my own only, and this is the reason I basically started teaching. And I used to love the thing. It's basically out of passion also that I enjoy teaching. Even after so many years gone, so many students taught, the same zeal, the same enthusiasm comes when I just step up in the class. So that brings us my
and the best part is your boss also will have to tell you, sir, you know. Sir, if you don't mind, what was your favorite subject when you were doing your chartered accountancy, sir? Was it FR and audit?
Sir, I tell you frankly, I don't have anything kind of favorite. My simple target is, okay, I have 8 subjects. I need to give importance to all 8 subjects, and I need to ensure that I crack out all the 8 subjects. Now, most of us feel that practicals are more scoring, theories are less scoring, but it's not like that. Frankly, for me, in my CA final examination, more marks I got basically in all the theory subjects. Auditing, I had all India highest actually at that time. So I had 81 marks in auditing that time. Then we had IDT. So all theories was basically kind of excellent marks. I don't say that practicals अच्छे नहीं थे. I had exemption in all the papers, so you can understand.
मैं इसीलिए
others were also good, but I used to get in theory.
Because you know, मैं अपने क्लास में कहता हूँ, सर, it's a joke actually. So I always tell my kids, you know, कि अगर ऑडिट में तुम्हें 60-70 आ जाए ना, तो उस बंदे के पैर पकड़ लो, पहले देख लो भाई क्या खाता है वो बंदा. It's like that. My subject being a practical subject, guys, sir, the SFM, it's like all practical. So I always trying to push on कि आपको मजा आता होगा. You know, audit में तो आपको बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है. It's all kind of a thing. But you are right, sir, you are right. But technically speaking, audit का paper लिखने में भी language का बहुत importance हो गया. So I guess.
I just tell you one instance. Actually, audit के अंदर क्या होता था? When I was actually studying, तो जो material institute ने provide किया था, where I was taking my classes, I seriously felt it was not sufficient. Like they had given a 300-350 page book for full CA final audit. Now imagine ICAI is giving you 2,500 pages. If someone is just making you a 300-page book, so definitely uske andar things would not be sufficient. So I had that craving. Okay, I need to basically go for a bit more. So last 2.5 months before my examination, I was in Deloitte. So articleship Deloitte se ki thi, so leave was around 4 months. Last 2.5 months was pending, and I took a new material for auditing, which was of 1,000 pages. I said, okay, I need to do this, because if I go by 300 pages, I'm not happy. The first thing which I feel is your material should satisfy you. If you are satisfied with what you are reading, automatically that confidence will come from you.
But I would rather tell you this might be the hardest part for you to sell. Because nowadays, the modern generation students, which I find, na, sir, it's always about, sir, give us a short material और हमें ये बताओ कि हम 200 पेज पढ़ ले और हमारा ऑडिट हो जाए.
सर लग रहा है, but I personally feel हम लोग उसे change करेंगे, and definitely students will understand what importance or what impact does it make on them. And it's not just अभी studies, the interpretation has to be developed. Language अच्छा आप interpret कर पाते हो, it helps you everywhere यार. Daily new circulars आते हैं MCA के departments के. If you are not able to interpret the things properly, आप 4 जनों से पूछोगे यार क्या था circular, and that is not what we want our students to do.
Absolutely. You know, because what happens in inter at times, you know, कि वो थोड़ा crash course का एक trend चल पड़ा है. So everybody feels that 100 marker पढ़ लो और, you know, काम खत्म हो जाए. So I've always been telling him that, you know, in case of law also, sir, that you have to read through bare acts once, you know. In audit, if you don't like language, if you don't write essays, I don't think so you will be scoring good marks.
Perfect.
And you are right, sir. It has to be more of practical application rather than just a theoretical approach to the subject, sir. Too good. So, what do you think about your students? Matlab, how do you handle them, sir?
Sir, by God's grace, I have this kind of ability. Like I'm in class, students will not misbehave. So this is basically what I have felt throughout. I don't know why that is so. They might be fearing me, or they feel okay. Niket sir is teaching, and we need to pay attention. I'm kind of bit strict. I tell you, that is the reason I don't teach in foundation, because foundation kabhi padha hi nahi. I started, okay, first year I would have done it, but otherwise as always inter and final, mostly focused on final, because for me it's like subject is priority rather than other talks. I'll not be going for much other talks. I'll be giving them lots of practical exposure. You won't believe it. I'll open so many annual reports in my class. I'll show them each and everything in a practical manner. But अगर आप सोचोगे यार jokes चलेंगे class में, तो वो सारी चीजें probably मेरे से नहीं होती है.
No, sir. In fact, I would tell you personally about myself. I'm not into all that. It's like I start my lecture. Chalo, get up. First page number 1. Let's start studying about that. But I'll tell you one good thing about Unacademy in this case, because when the day I joined, sir, I was always having that apprehensions. कि class में तो हमारा tone है, the way we handle the students, it manages up. तो ये online में students कैसे होते हैं? But sir, amazing. These students are more responsive. And the students are, they're really more responsive, sir, and they are really, kind of, they respect you a lot, which I thought would have been otherwise, because online mein to, they would not be in front of us, and they can do anything, kuch bhi kar sakte. So, any particular challenges, sir, you have faced in education industry as such?
Challenges. See, as such, opportunities right time.
It's like आपने 2008 में CA कर लिया, right? And then you entered into teaching. तो ऐसा कोई मतलब kind of hiccups?
First 3 years was actually सबके लिए challenging होता है, any career you start. But for us also it was a similar thing. Imagine you have a lecture of 2 hours, but आपको उसके लिए around 6 to 8 hours मेहनत करना पड़ता है, because you're studying 2-3-4 hours. Again, you're making notes of 2-3-4 hours, and then you're coming out with a lecture which is just of 2 hours. So the 2 hours lecture used to take around 8 to 10 hours, and that was done for a long period of time. And over a period, हम सब लोगों को, we get a grip over the subject. We meet so many students. They all have that different doubts. उसके कारण बहुत सारी चीजें we also learn from them over the period. So this all things has really helped. But first 3 years, lots and lots of hard work was there. Till today, hard work is definitely there. But I'll say कि जो time लगता था notes बनाने में, reading में, that all has drastically reduced.
Drastically. In fact, sir, मेरे office का staff अभी भी मैं कभी-कभी पढ़ रहा होता हूँ, तो एक बार एक नया staff आया था, so I kept a new guy, I remember, and he said, क्या कर रहे हो sir? मतलब पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. Sir, आप भी पढ़ाई करते हो क्या? आप तो सिखाते हो ना, आप पढ़ाई क्यों कर रहे हो? It's like, so people at times they fail to realize that we have to study much harder at the back end when we come to the post grad.
I tell you, sir, one thing. आपने जब पढ़ाई की बात करी, तो that's one thing which basically came in my mind. मैं जब भी पढ़ता हूँ, whenever I study, I have a scale and pencil in my hand. You won't believe I cannot study without a scale and pencil. Even today, if something new has came, book will be there. I will have a scale and pencil. I'll mark out whatever important lines which I feel, and I need that. Okay, they are properly underlined so that next time when I'm reading, I'm comfortable with only the things. And sir, ये मैंने start किया, or I was doing it. You won't believe, my full group, by the time I finished my CA, everybody was actually doing the same thing.
No, I seriously want this. I take accounts, sir, in Inter. Accounts in G1 and accounts, advanced accounts in G2. So I tell my kids की scale pencil से जाके अभी भी examination में journal का format बनाओ, date particulars, this and that. Because when I see the solutions today, ना sir, वो pen से ऐसे ही line बना लेते हैं, मतलब कोई भी उल्टी फुल्टी line बनती है. I don't know, somehow people believe कि accounts is not about presentation. Accounts में बस खाली journal entry pass करते हो, but I would tell you it's more about presentation. है ना sir?
Correct. See, it has to be kind of presentable. Anything which you're doing, if you're just more presentable, it's always beneficial. उसमें कुछ खराबी तो है नहीं. And कभी भी time lines draw करने में नहीं जाता है. Time जाता है सोचने में. If you're able to think faster, okay, you know that, okay, this is the way I need to write it. तो lines draw करने का time नहीं जाएगा. Hardly you're saving 1 or 2 minutes. अब कोई एक sum में बैठे-बैठे आधा घंटा सोच रहे हो ऐसे ही.
It looks good. Now paper बहुत अच्छा लगने लगेगा actually.
Definitely.
Sir, 2008, 2021. क्या डिफरेंस लग रहा है एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में? आई एम टीचिंग सिंस 2001 सर. ओके, मेरे को 21 इयर्स हो गए. तो एंड यू आर सेइंग इट्स 13 ईयर. आपको क्या डिफरेंस क्या लग रहा है एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में सर?
सर हमारे जो एक तो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स और ऑप्टिंग हैज ड्रास्टिकली इंक्रीज जो पहले से अभी होता था. एंड सेकंड थिंग जो मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, जब basically COVID was there and basically this trend was picking up of Google Drive, pen drive. So I was kind of a bit skeptical, like, okay, whether people will come to this or people will still opt for that physical course only. But over a period, I am also selling my Google Drive, pen drive since last 3 years. So I realized that the shift has become very easy for the student. हम लोग जितना सोचते थे कि it will be difficult, it has not been difficult to them. Rather, they are at their convenience and कभी भी उनको लगा उस तरीके से उन्होंने पढ़ाई कर ली.
I would tell you one thing जो Unacademy में आके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I was doing my Google Drive pen drive business for last 6 years now. So we used to record the lectures.
Correct.
पहले तो वो recording करने में हमें 4-5 महीने minimum लग जाते थे. And then we used to sell the lectures for next 6 months. And then students used to refer to those lectures for next 6 months. So by the time these people are referring to it, I guess चीजें already 1.5-2 साल तक हो चुकी है. And ICI का अब जो vibrant module आ रहा है, आप मेरे से agree करेंगे कि हर time ये लोग study material बदल डालते हैं. They have new questions coming into the picture. So I like one good thing about Unacademy. Sir, यहाँ पे एक special class करके lectures ले सकते हो आप. That is free for all the students. Okay. So, ऐसी amendment आ गया and आपने कहा कि 1 घंटे का lecture ले लिया तो it's done. And just save the link of that and send it to the students. That's it.
हमारे जब बातें चल रही थी तो one thing which I had was basically, okay sir, if only live lectures are there, many students suppose sometimes they miss the classes, क्या होगा? तो we had this basically option of यहाँ पे recorded वाला. That was one thing which I liked the most कि भाई live देखो, उससे you will have your discipline maintained. Okay, this subject is starting, FR say 90 days I'm taking, you will have a discipline to come every day morning 6:15 to 9:30. You will finish up basically in 90 days. If at all किसी को कोई emergency आ गया, problem आ गया, you also have the recorded version available, so you are at both the benefits.
Absolutely, absolutely. So one last question, because I see this, I want to take this trend ahead. मतलब मैंने जैसे कहा ना कि sir 20 years before taking the session with you right now, sir. So I was talking to one of my students who has now become a professor.
Okay.
So over the period of this 20 years, I have seen my students have actually come to this level of becoming educators. So I would like, to continue this trend कि आपके students भी वो line में आए. So what would you say to promote our education as industry? मतलब क्या message pass on करना चाहते हो आप young educators, young teachers?
See, for young educators, definitely this is a field which is equally rewarding as a corporate. So most of us basically think that, okay, education industry में शायद पैसा नहीं होगा. So one of the reason why we all people, not only me, everybody who has joined, they know कि भी Unacademy के अंदर students are getting benefit. They will have basically a lesser amount to shell out from their pocket. And sir, you won't believe, बहुत सारे students हमारे जो basically career है CA के अंदर, they are from such families, like उनके लिए amount becomes very important. तो होता है. Second, as a faculty, we are also equally rewarded. तो हमारे लिए भी and उनके लिए it's kind of a win-win situation for both of us. So don't worry about kind of basically this field. Think it as corporate only. You can join anytime. And one more thing, whenever you're entering, you need to understand there is efforts in every field required.
Absolutely. That efforts part is the most essential thing. Because at times I feel that the newcomers are like, sir, हम Monday to Friday corporate कर रहे हैं, Saturday Sunday को lectures ले लेंगे. So I had to tell them, no, it's like teaching profession is a 24/7 profession.
And sir, with the updates which are coming up ना, अगर आप वो सिर्फ part time की तरह रहे, आप कभी updated रह नहीं पाओगे. So I personally believe you have to be a full time in teaching only. Like from me, it was like first day say it is like full time.
My final subjects are SFM is my first priority, and I take FR also. So yeah, yesterday one student was asking me कि sir आप final में दोनों लेंगे ना? So I said I ask this question to myself every day, literally every day, sir. Reason is, sir, आप भी agree करेंगे कि final में 2 subjects को handle करके रखना, it becomes a difficult task with the kind of upgrades which keeps on coming all the time. And particularly, sir, FR जो अपना subject है, I guess that is catching up big time. पहले के जो accounting standards हुआ करते थे, sir was like okay चलो है, and एक बार सिखा दिया बस कुछ change नहीं होता है. And now Indies is very vibrant, very the so-called substance over form kind of a culture comes into it. term.
Correct.
Perfect, perfect, sir. Would you like to add anything, sir? Finally, it was nice talking to you, sir. Tell me.
Nothing but everything is great, and hope we make up a great team and we get to the students and students believe in us and they are happy about teaching. And I just will say one thing for the students actually. Success is not by doing actually great things. It's just by doing small things with great discipline. We just need to ensure that the discipline comes in us, automatically success will be there.
That's great. That's great. Sir, welcome to Unacademy one more time. We are the part, we are the team, and definitely we will improve our offering with you coming into the picture. And let's hope, sir, you can start rolling out your batches very soon with us.
Great. Honored.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Guys, bye-bye. Take care. And let's have the CA final rocking, sir. Thank you, CS. Nikhil, sir. Bye-bye.